Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Remitly transaction that is in progress. You can only cancel a Remitly transaction if it has not yet arrived. Right here, you can see my transfers. If I click View All, you will see one that has not yet arrived. The ones at the bottom say Delivered. However, the one at the top is blue and says Estimated Arrival in 1 hour. Now, if you want to cancel this transfer, what you can do is click on the transfer. It will open up the details, and here you can also edit it. But what we are going to do is scroll to the bottom of this transfer and click on Cancel Transfer. Your refund may take up to 10 business days. Once you click Cancel Transfer right here, it has been cancelled. As you can see, we have cancelled your transfer. Now, you can give a reason for cancelling right here. For example, you might say the amount isn't right, then click Submit. If I go to my transfers now, you will see that the one at the top has been cancelled. That's how to cancel a Remitly transaction in progress. If you haven't signed up already, make sure to check the link in the description for a special Remitly offer.